Hiya, so I'm gonna finally try the Lash Essential Serum. This is the 6-week supply, so meaning I'm gonna use this for 6 weeks and see if my eyelashes grow, because they're very tiny. So I'm gonna do a before and after, and I'm gonna use it right now today. So I'm gonna do a close-up right now of my lashes. So you see they're very tiny, they're baby lashes. So let me look down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 seconds. Alright, I'm gonna look up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Or let me face y'all. So it's pretty awkward. I'm just staring at y'all. Okay, so this is how it looks, staring straight ahead. Should I look here? I don't know where it looks, so it's not awkward. And to the side or up. I don't know how to model this. My eyelash. Let me see. Alright, so I already took a few pictures and videos. I hope I did it correctly. So now I'm gonna use this. So today is, I think, the 8th of November. I don't know, I'm gonna put it in the screen. So probably like in January. Damn, like in January, mid-Jan or February, I'm gonna do an update of this. So wow, let's see if it works. So I already unboxed this, but this is how it looks. It looks pretty sleek and gold and very pretty. So oh my gosh, I'm so excited because I have little bitty lashes. So let's see if it grows. So I'm gonna use it right now. This is how the wand looks. It's very skinny and it doesn't really have any scent at all. So, and it's clear, so I'm just gonna apply it. Wait, let me read it first. Let me see, where do I apply it? How to use. Oh, it says to use it in the PM. It's early. It's like 3-4 o'clock. Wait, I guess I'm just gonna use it right now because I forgot to do a look today and I already put my skincare on. Okay, so whatever, I'm just gonna use it today in the AM. So it says apply it above your upper eyelash line on clean dry skin, so on both eyes. So 1 dip of the wand is enough for both eyes. So allow 1 to 2 minutes for the serum to dry. Okay, so I'm just gonna apply it now and see how it looks. So I feel like I put too much. Okay, so the next eye. I don't know if I'm putting it right. Wait, I don't want it to go inside my eyeball, but let me put some more here. Oops, I put it also on my eyelashes for me to feel secure because I feel like I didn't do it right. But okay, I'm just gonna leave it like that. I'm not gonna reapply. So I hope I put enough on both eyes. So this is how it looks. It doesn't feel like it's burning in my eyes, so that's good. So far I'm liking this. So it's just to let it dry for 1 to 2 minutes. I don't know what time is it, but I'm just gonna let it dry by itself. So once satisfies, use 2 to 3 times per week. So, and for this video, but look, this is the before and after. My before looks shorter than this. These lashes don't look like my before. My before, I feel like it's smaller than these. I don't know, maybe they do look like this. I don't know, but you think that's real? Let's see. Hey y'all, so today I'm going to talk about my lash growth results update, however you want to call it. Listen, Babe Original came through because my lashes have grown, so I'm going to do a little bit of before and after pictures or shots or when you see me right now, it's going to look like my lashes didn't grow at all. But trust me, when you look at my before pictures, you're gonna see a difference. Trust me. Even when I stare straight, you can see these lashes go outward. They're like, bam, they're there. Even though they're still pretty tiny, you can see them. Before, they wouldn't poke out like this. And like looking straight, definitely it looks like I don't have any lashes. But in the side view, like, you see them? Before I didn't have that. And also notice that when I wake up, my lashes kind of, I feel like they get like eye boogers, crust. That's how you know my lashes grow, because of that. I know it's kind of weird TMI, but I don't care. But yeah, before I wouldn't get eye boogers stuck to my lashes. That's how you know they're long, and they hit literally near my eyeball, the ends of my eyeballs right here. And like, I noticed for fun, I just like to play with my lashes. I just touch them every day like this and like this, because I can't believe how much my lashes have grown. It's very soft. But that doesn't mean that my lashes don't fall, because they still do, especially when I remove my makeup, or I try the new lash lift kit, or what else? Sometimes when I just do makeup, or I have like, I feel like I have dirt, and then I try to clean it off, and then my lash comes out easily. Like, I raked it out without me putting a lot of force. So I don't know if that's normal or side effects, because listen, I don't use any lash growth products, so I don't know. And yeah, I have one earring different, because I can't find this one, and I really wanted to wear it. I don't know where it is, so I'm just wearing that. But anyways, yeah, I definitely recommend everybody to buy this. It's kind of expensive. It's like $20-$30, but I do have a link and you can save some money. I forgot how much. I'll put it here. But listen, I ran out, and I used this for like, I think like a month and a half. I don't know. But listen, you can't hear any liquid anymore. It's literally dry. Well, maybe it has maybe a tiny bit, but oh, never mind, it has a little bit, but not like before. So I just stopped using it because I'm using another hair growth product. Yeah, like it even says right here, it lasts 6 weeks. It's the truth. I was like, this sounds too good to be true. That sounds fake, but no wonder a lot of people buy their products. They're actually not lying. When their lashes actually do grow. So yeah, their products work. Trust me, they're pretty expensive, but I think they're worth the price to me. Yeah, definitely check their brand out. I'll put everything here. So yeah, anyways, okay, just want to do that update. Okay, bye.